Hello guys, welcome to our training video. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a 3D pop-up effect in Adobe Photoshop. Here I have an iPhone image slanted ready setup. So what we'll do is we'll add this image inside that and we'll make it look like as if this football is popping out of the iPhone. So let's get started. I'll navigate to the iPhone image here, and what you need to do is first create a slanted rectangle on top of the iPhone. To do that, first we need to create a new layer. To open up your layers panel, go into the window menu on top, click on Windows and click on Layers, and it will open up your layers panel. Once you have your layers panel opened up, on the bottom right there is a button that says create new layer. Click on this and it will add a new layer. Now whatever you will make will affect this new layer and not the iPhone image itself. So then come up to the toolbar on the left and select the Polygon Lasso tool, which is the third tool. L is the shortcut key on the keyboard. Once you have that selected, and if you don't have this selected, just click and hold this icon and it will show the other tools which are there. It's the second one. If you have a lasso tool selected default, then you will need to hit L again to select the second one, the polygonal lasso tool. Click on this, and on the top, if the feather is set to 2 pixels or more, just hit 0. Just click and set it to 0, and then make a slanted rectangle on top of the iPhone like I am doing it now in the same angle. Once that's done, what we can do is we can place that image inside this iPhone screen. Go and navigate to that image first. I'll navigate to this image and I'll just hit Command A and copy the image, and then I'll come up to the window which I'm working in, and in this, while your selection is already in place, click on Edit and click on Paste Special and click on Paste Into. So what it will do is it will paste the image inside that rectangle we have created and not outside it. So once that's done, just hit Command T and transform this image and just move it like so in center. I'll just enlarge it more. Now what we can do is we can make it look like as if the ball is popping outside this. To transform this, you'll need to always go into Edit and click on Free Transform. Then while holding down Shift, you need to grab the edges to make it proportionally resize it. Okay, and then once that's done, just hit enter on the keyboard. Right now you can see the ball is getting cut off because it's inside the screen, inside this paste into which we just created. Then you can navigate to that folder again, and this time we'll just select the ball. Go up to the toolbar on the left side and select this ellipse tool. The ellipse marquee tool is the second one. Once you hold down this icon, it will pop up these 4 tools. You will need to select this ellipse tool, the second one. Click on this, and then while holding down Shift on the keyboard, select and drag so it will make a perfect circle, and select this ball. Just place it on top of this ball and click on Edit, Copy, and then navigate to the window which we are working on, and again I'll click on Edit and Paste. Then you can just resize it by again coming up to the Edit menu on top and click on Free Transform, and while holding down Shift, just increase the size of the ball to match as per the behind image. You can see now how it is coming into play. Just resize it as per that and just hit enter on the keyboard, and you can always erase the edges a bit by clicking on the eraser tool on the toolbar here. Click on the eraser tool and just you can brush up the edges, resize the brush by the size on the top left here. This is the brush size, and then I'll just erase the grass that's a bit we selected while copying. So now you can see how the image has taken place. Now it really looks like as if the ball is popping out of the iPhone image. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video, guys. Please do shoot me an email if you have any questions to ask. I will be happy to answer them. You can always subscribe to my YouTube channel for more training videos. Thanks guys. Thanks for